Today it's November 11, 2025. So I'm recording this video. Let's see here. So I'm making this video to document my YouTube. If it's gonna be in 5 years or 10 years, it's gonna be boom, that means subscriber, or it's still the same amount of subscriber do I have. Anyway, so I'm currently working here in this White House. No, it's not called White House. Ah, but I called here it's White House because it's so white here and it's a little mixed brown. I've been working here since 2014 until now. And how can I say? Did I make progress here while working here? And we'll see what's gonna be. What is my purpose? What is my purpose? I don't know what is my purpose here in this world. I don't know why I keep living. I don't know. When I have a lot of thoughts in my mind and I can't fix it, there's a lot of saying in my mind, talking in my mind what to do and what they did and what I did. What I need right now is to help my family and give them better life and give them proper food. They can eat delicious food. Yeah, I miss my mom, but because of my situation right now, I can't go to there and visit because the plane ticket is so expensive. Then I don't have money right now, so oh, I'm crying. Oh no, I'm trying to. Oh, oh, I told you I'm crying. Um, I hope I can see my niece and nephews and my mom very soon. So I miss them, and my last visit them is around year 2022 to celebrate her birthday. It's my last visit with, and hopefully next year I can visit. Oh, oh, everything's gonna be fine. I know, but I don't know what is my plan. I have a plan in my head. I have a lot of thoughts that I want to work in the new environment and I want to work abroad. But my papers is have problem. I need to fix this system first, and I don't have an ID right now because my ID is expired. So we'll see. Happy Monday. I know happy no. Hopefully in 10 years or 5 years I'm still here in this world. Okay, bye bye.